Hey guys, Attorney Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. Third lesson for the day. How do we tell who's dad? Okay. This lesson's title is Who's Daddy? Now, that's a way that I would say it. I mean, it makes good sense when you're in second grade. You know, you might ask your buddies, who's your dad? And in law terms, we call this paternity, establishing paternity. Establishing paternity is a nice big legal term that means how do we tell who's dad? Now, there's several ways to do this. Mostly you file a petition to establish paternity. We talked about that in another lesson about what's a petition mean. It's like going to the judge, kind of going to, mother, may I? Remember that old game. So you would go to the judge and you'd say, Judge, I want to petition the court. I want to ask the court to establish, to decide paternity. Paternity is who's dad. Now, remember, write this down. Remember, there's not one gender or another that can do this. Guys who want to establish that they are the father of little Johnny or little Susie, they can go to court just as much as the ladies and bring them in. And always remember also that if you apply for state assistance, food stamps, Families First, TennCare, things like that, the state of Tennessee, on your behalf, whether you want to or not, they'll go to court to try to establish paternity and make somebody start paying child support. But, okay, first we talked about it's parenting time. Second, we talked about juvenile court or circuit court. This time, what do we do? Who's daddy? And daddy is found by establishing paternity. A petition that says, I think Bob Jones, if you're Bob Jones, I'm sorry, I think Jeff Goldtrap is the father of this child. And so it's like a lawsuit. I'm told to come into court, and usually there's a DNA test. You can say, hey, I'm dad. Don't worry about anything. It doesn't need to be a test. She says I'm dad. Thank you very much. You can also say, I'm not sure, and I want a test. Then you pay for a DNA test. And usually it's a shared expense, half mom, half dad. And there's a test to determine that you are or are not dad. So, establishing paternity. Who's daddy? Hey, this is Jeff Goldtrap. I hope I've helped you out. Have a great day.